Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, this is enough for work on my portfolio. Just the image shot. Well, I had a silverware, then pills to shoot this. I don't know what I want to express that time. Well, I'm gonna make something interesting image, impressive image, hopefully. Start with this image, and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop, used filter called Find Edges. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna paint watercolor image. Well, I'm gonna move this empty layer in between this pencil drawing type image and also the base image. Now I'm gonna tone down this base image. We only have colors on these pills and slightly nice gradation on the silverware and the base. Okay, let's go from this pills shape first. Choose, well, watercolor from detail. Well, I'm gonna add layer, then some density of this silverware's gradation type, Well, very interesting. Okay, now I'm gonna add another layer. This layer is dish, silverware, colors. Now I'm gonna add over this plastic wrap to be kind of reflected over that. So, well, I'm gonna add over this layer. Then this dark image is pretty interesting. This shape. So I'm gonna paint over here. Okay, one white layer. Now I'm gonna put this highlight reflections. I want to see the oozing, so I'm gonna let me put it on here. Yeah, I like these pills to be linear light. I like the color of this blend mode. Now, what's the next one? This one is, it's normal. Just a orangeish highlight. That's all I put, not yet. Okay, about this though. About this reflection overlay, passively down, it's not that beautiful. So I'm gonna do it again with different color. I may change this one too. Yeah, this is not beautiful, so I'm gonna do it again. Change to normal. Then, well, let's see if I change the hue only for this layer. Yeah, I'm gonna do it again because this brush touch is not that beautiful. So I'm gonna delete this. Then I'm gonna clear this, clear layer. Then again, I'm gonna add some this shadow to be different color this time. Like, let's see. Then I'm gonna add some orange-ish, this color, about half, 50% now. Then I'm gonna check these overlay 70, and this is linear burn. Okay, now I just wanna see, well, this is this orange-ish color, right? Now same layer, I just want to check. Let's touch green cast. Yeah, linear burn 50. Just to leave it this way. Now turn it on one by one. Turn on the edge, turn on this overlay, turn on this orange and green color, turn on this pale color, then pencil drawing type image, linear burn on. Now, then I'm going to tone down this base image about 70%. Okay, make this one linear light, more saturations up, and nice color, I think. Okay, linear light for this. Then now base image is 70%, so that's why it shows light gray. Don't need to be so much dark shadows. About 70% orange-ish. Add some water to blend in more. Well, let's see. On this layer, base image, create empty mask. Now invert mask. We got this much image. Now how much I'm gonna reveal this, right? Now, okay, basic, soft round size flow, pretty big size, real soft, about 55. Now hide. Okay, I'm gonna duplicate layer, then bring this one go up, then I'm gonna cut mask first, then I'm gonna make mask, create an empty mask, invert mask. Now I'm gonna reveal this, then let me see, change. Yeah, I think the highlight is fine. Okay, alright, I think pretty much done. Silverware, color over the silverware, yeah, linear light, fine. Make it 90 for base image, but I wonder this light comes from this one, right? Okay, I'm gonna make mask, then just hide. Okay, I guess that's it. Yeah, totally different image. Well, that's it for today, and thank you for watching my video. Well, I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work, and I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day. See you next time. Bye now. Ciao.